Welcome back. Now, depending on your personal computer's configuration, one of the things that will make it easier for you to be able to set the dimensions of your recordings is to have hardware at the minimum dimensions. And you'll notice here that we are using the search term laptop 1920 by 1080, assuming that most of your recordings you will want to record in this dimension. But whatever the purpose of your recording and dimensions, you'll want to try to use hardware that operates in those dimensions. And so you'll see here that there are laptops, in this case we'd be looking at 1920 by 1080 in those dimensions. If we're going to use a second screen, we'd want to find external monitors in those same dimensions. And we can do that by using the search terms either HD or the numerical dimensions that we want to have with our screen. The same is true if you were going to use a portable monitor. You'll want to get the resolution that you want to record your videos in using Camtasia. This will make it easy to do recordings in your chosen dimensions. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.